Hello traders and welcome back to my YouTube channel, IPDATrader. Now today's video guys is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing in this channel. And I'm honestly pretty excited for this one. So we're not going to be discussing any sort of technical deal, technical analysis, institutional analysis whatsoever. This video is completely dedicated to presenting the IPDAtraders private community, which is essentially my mentorship program, right? And I want to make a couple things clear in this regard. So one of them being that this is the only page I will be ever offering mentorship on, right? Please do not get scammed. People have messaged me saying that, hey, there's someone using your picture pretending to be you and asking for money. So I want to make very clear that I will never message you asking you to join my mentorship. This is why I'm doing this video. If you ever want to join the mentorship, you can always access this page, fill in the information, and you will be granted access to the private Discord community, which offers all of these perks, right? So we're going to be sort of discussing that. Once again, this community and Discord server offers you a sort of step-by-step approach in which you can sort of design your own system once you're really done with all the content to trade the markets the way you really want and resonates with you, right? So this is pretty important. And one of the important things being this point over here, community of like-minded people. This is sort of what I'm trying to build. Please, if you're going to be joining the group, I want you to engage with other traders, ask questions, use the channels for each and every single purpose they have, and sort of exploit your time in the community, right? You don't want to be the trader that joins the community and just watches sort of these sections and really won't engage with the community, right? It is important for your progress as a trader, and that's very well covered in section 0, which is one of the sections that you will find over there, right? It's really covered over there, but I want to make sure that you guys, please, let's try and build a community of like-minded people that respect each other, that can work together, because being one will never beat a team, right? If you look at sports and sort of, yeah, sports is not a player that is winning championship, right? It's the community and the team. So I want to sort of adapt that mindset in my program. If you want to be joining the program, everyone is welcome to do so. But please remember to work in a community and really exploit your time in the mentorship. So as you join the community, you will see that we have multiple channels prepared in the Discord with multiple resources, right? One of them being I have a complete sort of section where I've structured content in a way that should be easy for you to consume and easy for you to understand. We really start very basic and work our way down as you go through the videos. So that's pretty much it, right? In regards to the refund policy, I want to make this very clear as well. We do not allow refunds. Reason being is because it's very easy for someone to join the mentorship, really grab the content, right? Because we do have around 6 to 7 hours of structured and step-by-step content that you can easily access as you join the mentorship. So I will be not offering refunds because I don't want anyone to join the community, sort of download the content and ask for the refund, right? That's not how it works. So that's very clear in that sense. This is sort of what you will have access to, right? You will have access to me anytime. Again, guys, remember, I'm still a human. I need to sleep. I need to take care of family stuff and that sort of stuff, but I will be available as many hours throughout the day for you as possible, right? I want to make sure there's no gaps in your learning, and you can sort of progress with the rest of the community, right? So lastly, very clear, this is the only page I will be ever offering mentorship. So remember that. If anyone messaged you saying it's me and trying to get you to pay into any sort of different page, that's not going to be me. So keep that in mind, right? I will never message you asking you to join the community, and this is really the only page you will have access to, right? In regards to where can I join the mentorship. So with all that being said, we're going to be taking a look into the Discord server and sort of what you will be receiving as you join the community. So let's actually take a look now into the Discord server that you will have access to as you join the mentorship, right? So let's remove this stuff and let's head right back to Discord. So guys, this is the Discord server right here. As you join it, you will land into this channel right here called Student, where a bot will assist you into activating your membership and your account. And once you've done that, it's very easy. You will have access to all these channels over here, right? As you can see, we do have a official announcement, and let me grab my tool back. Let me remove this. We have a official announcement channel where I will be posting any sort of important announcement, weekly outlooks where I will be sort of asking you guys what pairs you're sort of watching and expecting moves for the next week, and I will be preparing videos breaking those pairs down and sort of giving you my expectation, right? We do have a general chat where everyone is free to chat whatever they want to chat about, right? This is the channel for that. We also have a library that I'm really expecting to get filled with tons of valuable and really good content, right? You're free to to upload any sort of PDF file, Word document with information, backtesting data, and that sort of stuff, right? This is why I sort of emphasize the idea of the community. I want everyone to contribute into the community and to build stuff even further, right? We also have a section for questions and concerns where you are free to ask anything. Other members can answer. I can answer that too. Or you can always message me privately and ask me that way, right? I will try to help you as well. We do have some trade ideas channel. This is pretty self-explanatory. Whoever has a trade idea that he or she is looking forward to maybe trade if things do set up, then that's going to be sent over there. Funded member trade ideas. This is for members that do end up getting funded and want to sort of share analysis and ideas. They have this particular channel where they can do that. This is my particular channel for sending ideas and analysis. This is a crypto channel for those of you who are interested in crypto, because as you know, the concepts that you will learn in this particular Discord server apply to each and every single market that is manipulated, so it can very well be used in the crypto space, right? Now, we move further down into the really important stuff over here, right? This is also important, but we're going to be taking a look at the live trading sessions, right? As you join the mentorship and you start trading, right? You want to be using each channel for each purpose, right? If you're trading the London session, please send the London session analysis over here. New York, the same thing, right? If you're heading into the New York session and you're watching a potential point of interest or whatever it may be, send it over here. Same thing with the Asian session and that sort of stuff, right? And this is sort of a last channel over here where you can post sort of your profit, your progress, whatever, just as motivation for the rest of the members, right? That may be sort of just joining the server and want to see some perspective over there, right? So that's very clear over here. As we go lower, you will see that now we're entering into the course content, right? And I want to make this very clear as well. So as you go through the IPDA course content over here, as you can see, it is important for you to understand that you want to be starting in section 0 and working your way down the sections that way, right? You don't want to start over here with, for example, with the entry protocol and then watch the introduction or the market structure section. No, you want to be working your way down because the content is structured in a way that, for example, if you're watching the liquidity section, I'm assuming you understand points of interest. I'm assuming you understand market structure. I'm assuming you've watched this as well, right? And I want to make one thing very clear, and that is that not each and every single section is completely done in regards to the video material, right? And I've done it on purpose because once again, you have over 6 to 7 hours of recorded and well structured material over here, but new videos are going to be releasing as traders in the community go through the content, right? Because I don't want anyone to sort of say, hey, I want to jump straight into the daily cycle because this is exciting. No, I want to make sure everyone is sort of following the same path in regards to these sections. So that's really also another added value to the community, right? It's not like, hey, I've recorded some videos here, you go figure it out yourself. No, I will be constantly updating videos. I will be constantly engaging with the community, and I will be constantly trying to help and improve each and every single one of you trading, right? So understand that videos are going to be added as the time goes by, right? But so far you've got over 6 to 7 hours of recorded and structured video material that you can start consuming, and that it will really take some time for you to digest all that information and start practicing this, right? So as I see that traders in the community are developing, I will start adding more videos, right? And potentially more sections if that's something that you guys want to see. Once again, I will be sort of serving you guys in the community. I want each and every single client to be happy with the community and the value that they're receiving in the Discord server itself, right? Lastly, we do have a video suggestions section over here where anyone is free to sort of type in whatever video they sort of need for the trading. They may have been struggling with something in particular, so they're free to sort of ask it over here in this particular channel, and I will be absolutely love to take a look into that and try and help you out with that, right? But remember, guys, the value of this particular server is going to be in the content and in the community itself, right? So if anyone wants to sort of jump in, steal the content and leave, will do so, right? The content is great, it's going to help you out of a lot, but really the value and what I want to you guys to understand is that the value should be in the community itself, right? You've got plenty of channels. Please use them for their purpose, right? If you want to be chatting with other members, use this channel over here. If you want to talk about crypto stuff, you can do it over here. If you want to be sort of doing the London session and you're trading the London session, you can send it the analysis over here. And if you want to work your way down the sections, you can start over here. Once again, I'm not going to be clicking in any of these sections because then the video links will be revealed, and I don't want to do that, right? But I can guarantee you there is plenty of material over here to go through, and it will absolutely take you time to digest all that content. So understand that as time goes by and traders and I see people developing in their trading, I will be adding more sections and more videos, right? So it is not a static thing that, hey, this is the material, enjoy, right? No, this is not how it works. I want everyone to succeed, and I want each and every single one of you that end up joining the community to have a great experience, a great time with the community, meeting new people that are looking to learn the same thing as you. So that's really going to be the value over there. So traders, before we wrap this up, I wanted to speak about one last thing, and that's in regards to the YouTube channel, right? I don't want you guys to get confused with the mentorship, meaning that now the YouTube channel is not going to be valuable or I'm not going to be uploading any videos. No, not at all. The YouTube content is going to continue as usual, right? I'm still going to be uploading regular videos with tons of value and information for you guys, but you should understand that my focus and dedication is going to be within this community, right? Because I really want everyone that joins to be happy with what they're getting. So I'm going to be trying my best with that. However, that doesn't mean that the YouTube channel is going to be lacking content whatsoever. No, the YouTube channel is going to continue as usual, and videos are going to be coming out weekly, right? Multiple of those, potentially 2 or 3 per week. So if you don't have the tools or resources to sort of join the community, do not worry. The YouTube channel is still going to be there. It's still going to be helpful, and it's still going to be providing free and really great value to the YouTube viewer. So understand that I'm still going to be caring about the YouTube guys as well. So that is it in regards to this video, right? I didn't expect it to be that long, but I guess I wanted to make everything very clear. Once again, understand that this is the only page I will be ever offering mentorship on, so do not get scammed. Also understand that if you do join the community, I want you to working towards building a nice and healthy community, and also understand that the YouTube channel content is still going to continue as usual, and that nothing is really going to change in that regard. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I will see you very soon with a multiple videos in regards to different institutional and algorithmic topics. So I will see you guys then. Until next video, I wish you all good and profitable trading. Remember, the link is going to be in the description and possibly in the comment section below as well. So until that, I wish you all good and profitable trading. See you guys soon.